Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Mercedes-Benz prioritized handling and performance with features such as a built-in garage door transmitter, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, skid plates, blind spot sensor, and power front seats. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.